Welcome, fellow adventurers, to a world where the open road meets the promise of prosperity. Today, we embark on a journey to discover 5 enchanting ways to turn your e-bike into a gateway to financial freedom in 2023. So fasten your seatbelts and let's dive into the magic of making money with your trusty e-bike. First on our list, the world of deliveries. Transform your e-bike into a beacon of efficiency. From hot pizzas to fresh flowers, you're not just a rider, you're a deliverer of joy. Join the legion of eco-friendly delivery warriors and watch as your e-bike transforms into a ticket to financial bliss. Imagine turning your rides into unforgettable experiences for others. Become a tour guide on 2 wheels. Explore the hidden gems of your city, share stories, and let your e-bike be the chariot that transports people into a world of discovery. It's not just a ride, it's a journey through the heart of your community. Let your e-bike be a statement of sustainability. Partner with local markets, artisans, and eco-conscious brands. Pedal through the streets adorned in eco-friendly fashion, showcasing a lifestyle that's not just about making money, but making a difference. Your e-bike becomes a moving canvas of style with a purpose. Turn your e-bike into a fitness companion. Organize e-bike fitness classes or offer personalized training sessions. Combine the joy of riding with the thrill of a workout. Your e-bike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's the key to unlocking a healthier, happier lifestyle for you and those around you. Last but certainly not least, welcome to the Content Creation Corner. Use your e-bike adventures to tell stories, share tips, and build a community. From vlogs to how-to guides, your e-bike becomes the star of your digital stage. Unleash your creativity and watch as your passion turns into a source of income. There you have it, fellow riders. 5 enchanting ways to weave magic and prosperity into the fabric of your e-bike adventures. Whether it's delivering joy, guiding explorations, promoting sustainability, fostering fitness, or creating captivating content, the possibilities are as boundless as the road ahead. So saddle up, embrace the journey, and let your e-bike not just take you places, but also pave the way for a richer, more fulfilling life. Until next time, ride on and prosper.